Hello from Dominica. We are leaving today to go to Guadeloupe, one of the islands of Guadeloupe, and it's a lovely day. We have 2 sails out, and I hope this ride will be better than the last, because the one from Martinique to Dominica was quite intense. But this one looks very promising. Here we see some whales. Apparently there are a lot of whales here in this water, so I'm really hoping to see some whales. Well, one can only hope. We're going 8 to 9 knots. That's quite fast, so that means we'll probably be there faster. And we're now passing the islands. That means the sea will get a little bit rougher, but for now it seems okay. No buckets yet.
So guys, we're crossing Dominica to Guadeloupe. Marie-Galante, especially, small island on the southeast of Guadeloupe. Take you a little bit to the front. That's where we go tomorrow. On the way now, doing nice 9 knots. Nice wind, a little bit upwind, so a little bit banging. Ooh, some splash, but it's fun. So, bye bye Dominica.